Makes it fast. Just bought an Instant Pot Duo and staring at all those buttons? Here's exactly what they do and which ones you'll actually use. The 3 buttons you'll use most. Pressure cook is the main button you'll press to cook almost everything. This is your go-to button for recipes. Note that on some older models, this is labeled manual. Plus and minus buttons change the cooking time up or down. Cancel stops any program at any time and turns the Instant Pot back to standby mode. What the preset buttons do. The preset buttons like soup, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, multigrain, porridge, and steam are just shortcuts. Each one sets a suggested cooking time for that type of food. For example, soup sets 30 minutes at high pressure. You can use these if you want, but most recipes will tell you to use pressure cook and set your own time instead. There is one exception, the rice button. This is a smart program that uses a sensor to detect the volume of rice and water. Because it's automatic, you usually cannot change the time manually on this setting. Less, normal, and more. After you press a preset button, you can press it again to cycle through less, normal, and more. For pressure programs, these just change the cooking time. However, for non-pressure modes like sauté and slow cook, these change the heat level, acting like a dial on a stove. Pressure level button. This switches between high pressure and low pressure. High pressure is the default and cooks hotter and faster. Low pressure is for delicate foods like fish. Slow cook button. This turns your Instant Pot into a regular slow cooker. Press slow cook, then use plus or minus to set the time. Pressing slow cook again cycles between less, which is low heat, normal for medium heat, and more for high heat. For this mode, less normal, more does change the temperature. Don't seal the lid for slow cooking. Turn the steam release handle to venting or use a glass lid. Sauté button. This heats the pot so you can brown meat or cook vegetables before pressure cooking. Never use the lid when sautéing. Press sauté, wait for the display to say hot, then add your ingredients. Pressing sauté again cycles between less for simmering, normal for regular browning, and more for high heat searing. Yogurt button. This is for making homemade yogurt. Most beginners won't use this right away, so feel free to skip it for now. Keep warm and delay start. Keep warm turns on automatically after cooking finishes. If you don't want this, press the button to turn it off before you start. Delay start lets you set a timer for up to 24 hours before the cooking begins. What you'll actually do for most recipes. Add your ingredients. Close the lid. Turn the steam release handle to sealing. Press pressure cook. Use plus or minus to set your cooking time. Wait 10 seconds and the Instant Pot beeps and displays on. Don't panic when the timer doesn't start immediately. The pot has to reach pressure first. Once it does, the on will change to your countdown. That's it. Everything else is optional. If this helped you understand your Instant Pot buttons and feel ready to start cooking, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. Thanks for watching, and now you're in control.